Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So I think I started the vlog at home and I told you guys that this is going to be a road trip. We're going to Ochi. This is definitely going to be a sun, sand and food trip, possibly river as well. I haven't vlogged in a minute and I just decided to give you guys a vlog today. So if you did miss me, comment and let me know, because your girl is back to the back. I wanted to do a sit down video with you guys, but I was like, nah, but just rather carry up on a little journey. I know my thing already. I love going to the vibes, and this is what it's gonna be about, a vibes. Okay, so I'm here with my bestie on route to our first stop is going to be Ocho Rios. We're gonna stay on a little Airbnb and things. So I'm gonna reach down there. I'm gonna show you the vibes, I'm showing you the settings, and also it's Loud's birthday weekend, so we should be going to her birthday event. Yeah, she opened a new lounge spot down at Ochi and she have a whole birthday weekend festivity at one. I don't think I'm going to the brunch because we have plans for that day. Alright, but we should be going to the club, so I'm gonna go on a little bit of that as well. So grab on a popcorn. I'm gonna move from that because I appear nice. I don't know the copyright situation. Got ready. Grab on a popcorn. I think this is going to be a very long. A very. Alright, pearly gates one. Can your music open a my thing? Yeah, grabbing a popcorn, guys. This is probably going to be an hour-long vlog simply because I have not vlogged in a while. I'm now gonna chop up the vlog, but just go know everything one time. So if you're here for the vibes, get some food and let's roll. All right, see you guys in the next clip. Mwah. Love you, me, Amor. It closed the town. When I open the doors, guys, I'm going to go to Cameroon. I'm going to come to music. So I'm going to really go beach in Kingston. I'm a country girl when it comes to the beach. So yeah. Ouchie! Here we come! Alright. That's it for me. Asking what happened to your safety gear. The guy's asking what happened to your safety gear if you're not scared. Tell me that you need some safety gear. We're on the roundabout. We're almost reached Ochi, but we're not to stop because this girl did want to do some skating. I go drop some clips and make them see my boy with the oh, there's one way for the show on my outfit. So I do a outfit of the day in the rain. The skirt set, she in, you don't know, she happy birthday. Oh, my slippers is from Misty. Zoom in for the shoes. Hey guys, this is me. This is my set. I got this from Shein. I know I still have my headband around my hair, but I'm not gonna take that off until, because my bag is also from Shein. I added this strap to it because the little fine strap that came on it, I didn't like it, so I added this strap to it. And I got my gold sandals with, these are from Mystique. And I'm good to go. Good to go. The whole vibe. Got my bracelets on as well. Gold earrings. Vibe, I need a picture now. Yes, so anyway, we got to go to the roundabout now. So I'm going to check into the Airbnb and we'll talk to you guys.
If you know I'm a baby, she's a fan. I just want to fuck but your pussy girl, your man a teacher. Don't ever want her, there's a dark you playing on my iPhone.
That's feel out of here.
The great Jag, smooth.
Our beautiful host, Jag.
Yes, great Jag.
Alright, let's go and look at our beautiful.
Okay.
Are you Jamaican? You're Jamaican? Right, sure. What is it you said? India? Oh. Like how many years? How many years? How many years now since you left? It's about 75. No, I'm just saying, you look around 70 small. Am I right? Okay. That sounds like a wrong Jag. I'll run away with you. We want to see what's going on first and then we'll. Oh, not yet.
Hey.
Do what you do best. Beautiful, beautiful.
Different type of vibe.
So you'll be here for the weekend, Jag? You'll be here for the weekend. Alright. Loving it.
You're the first guest
I am?
who go for the weekend. I never take the weekend.
You never take the weekend?
Never.
I'm a blessed person.
Since 2009, I've been hosting.
Yes. So you see, I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I'm moving around. I wouldn't want to stay silent. It's more beautiful in person. It's more beautiful than what I see. It's really more beautiful. And the pool is open all the time. And we can go in the beach there. No sharks. No nothing to do.
No way, no shot.
Also, it shows you how far you can go. Nice. I think I'll enjoy my stay. Woo! Me Jag. Whoa. From India. Jamaican by choice. And the paintings are nice. And I read that you get the art. You do the art.
No, I do only ceramics. All the ceramics.
So if your guests are here and they see a beautiful piece and they want to purchase it, they have the option to do that.
Sure.
Alright.
All they get are books.
Me, I'm Jamaica.
Can you see it? They're all books.
I'm not going to read that much books, Dad, but I like your collection of books because I love to read.
Even though I have a few, mostly my music here is classical. Indian as well as Western, but I do have Jamaican, African, Middle Eastern.
I love different type of
Yeah,
music.
exactly.
I like soul.
So here, as I said, I have only made
Do you play any of this?
yes. And
Where is your classical collection or your Indian type of collection?
that's mostly Indian here.
This is mostly the Indian. I'm trying to think of something.
Now, I haven't used this in ages.
I haven't seen one of these in ages. See this? The type of thing.
You know, I'll look at the book. See?
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hola.
Melvin.
Hi Nadine, yeah, press out sheet and thing though.
No, let me take it.
Alright, sure.
That's let me get charged $5.
Alright. I want to change this. I'm a hard
Yes, this is from India. Most of my work, painting, are Jamaican.
like Jamaican artists.
Yeah, they do. So this is your bedroom.
Alright.
The view from each window.
No curtains, so you can always see outside. You can open the windows.
Yes, but
No.
not this one.
Not this,
This
one.
one. See, normally
Yeah.
the rain comes this way.
Oh,
Okay.
so we can open those but try to
Yeah.
keep these.
But this one, sometimes the rain comes from this way, which is rare. Then it could really
Yeah.
intense. We don't open this window.
Alright.
And that one, then when it rains, then Nadine said she runs and closes, the shutters.
These lamps work. The lamps work.
Yeah, sure. They're not for the show.
Huh? Turn it on for the show. It's what turns on for the show. Yeah. It gives me a little antique vibe, you know? Nice antique vibe.
Natural.
Natural.
Yeah, natural.
And then take away the TV, make it even more natural.
So this is a tea shell for you.
Yeah, glasses.
70s. Look on the fan. They're right there.
Oh, that is such a nice house, guys. You need to come and look up this. If you're interested in all the antiques and art and you just want to be away from the busy life, you need to come and check out Jack's place. It's giving me, I've not been here 2 hours and I know I'm going to have a very relaxing stay. Yes. Give us series of juice.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Thank you.
That's it.
So I'll play electric.
Yes. Electric boogie boogie. Boogie boogie. Boogie boogie.
Any questions?
No, I love your place.
No, I love it.
It's what I hope. It's what I was looking for. Something calm and relaxing. Yes. No big TV, no nothing.
There's no light on. But
So we can draw natural.
yeah, you can go anytime.
Yes. Even in the night.
Because they put chemicals.
Oh, in the evening? Every day in the evening?
No, not every day.
Oh, okay. But if they're doing that, they'll put some signs to let us know that that's what
Full clothes.
food is closed. All right.
Otherwise, no, you can.
Anyway guys, that's the vibe for the weekend as y'all can see.
Packing away some of the stuff. The door is creeping me out because somehow the door, every time I lock it, see, I just closed the freaking window and it opened by itself. Close the door, it opened by itself. That's kind of freakish, but okay. I'm packing out my shit because I don't want to have to be going in and out of the bag, so I'm just making myself comfortable. Guys, what I'm doing so far guys, I've packed out like most of my little stuff. I'm packing out most of my stuff, so like my hair products, my shower bath, this I'm gonna use for my hair because you guys can see I'm wearing curly hair this weekend. Soap that I'm gonna be using to wash my face is right there as well, and then I just got this Shein bag filled with like shades that I might use throughout the period. I got my combs and brushes in this thing right here, and then this bag is just full with some makeup. I didn't take a lot of makeup stuff because this is a sea trip or a water trip, so I won't really need much makeup. Don't mind this today, and my makeup is still very light today, but I'm gonna be using this. What else? I don't know. I got some snacks. I might just put them in the kitchen. Got water, and let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what's happening downstairs. So I'm intending to go to the pool. Looks like a lot of people down there right now, but I'm still gonna go because that's what I want to do. And then guys, the greatest thing, which is why I got this place, it has a beach. So literally I don't even have to leave here to go to the beach because there is a beach right there, which I'm gonna go any minute now. And we got a pool too. So yeah, Jag was kind enough to give us like a pineapple right here. He told us that this pineapple was for us, so I'm gonna have that pineapple tomorrow morning. And oh my god, I love the paintings. The paintings are beautiful. Nadine, the housekeeper, she's gonna leave G there. Right, so basically I want to say everything so far. We're making ourselves comfortable. It's raining a lot this weekend in Ocho Rios, so that kind of cramped up the vibes, but the sun is back out again as many show now. People are downstairs enjoying the warm weather. Well, it rains sometimes and then it stops, so whatever. So we're gonna go out there now and enjoy ourselves. Anyway, we turn up on the highway, but I'm doing it again just in case I don't use the clip from the highway. I have my skirt set from, you know, the store that got the girlies. My skirt set is from Shein. I'm just love how it don't come out body. Quality is A1. Big up myself Shein. So I got my little hot socks on because you know the vibes and everything. And yeah, my nails trending the bag. Curly ear, okay, you know it's a water weekend. Couldn't go no other way. We're gonna get some food and then I'm gonna pack my little bleach bag. So Jack gave us towels for the pool and stuff. But me is a girl, I'm not from me alone stay so but anyone go. I like work with my own personal things. Anything I'm gonna put on my skin, anything like that, like towels and stuff, rags. Even when I go to hotel, me is a girl who work with my own towel because I don't know, I just like my own things. Alright? But there's towels here just in case. So I'm gonna take some stuff out of this bag and I'm gonna pack it with some stuff that we might need at the pool. And then next time you see we're either getting some food or down at the pool enjoying ourselves. So guys, we're back from the restaurant. We went to get some food and we're gonna go to the pool, but I don't know, there's a lot of people down there right now. We just went by a restaurant. We get some regular Jamaican tea. We don't know because we're hungry. We don't have time to not sit down and wait for something. So bye, but what is it? So we're going by the beach pool. You know the vibes, telling already. This is what I'm wearing. Swimsuit is from Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret, I always look on the girl body. And this thing here, Forever 21. You know the vibes. Put my thing back on my head because we're going out later and we don't want to mess up the legs. Y'all know the vibes, girlies. Alright, so this is the vibration. You know, I'm going to see the thing, baby. So, yeah, we're going to look at this and a little bit of that. This is the vibration. Take up the music for y'all. I'm not going to say everything. I forgot where the light works for me. Okay, so I guess I can't see a bit now. I'm going to just change it to a regular video. So, we are downstairs and we are about to go into the pool. There's some people here looking at us like, oh. But here we are right now. We're going to vibe out, but a lot of this, guys, I'm not really here because I'm gonna be playing music, which you don't know the copywriting on it already, so you're not gonna get to hear a lot of that, but we are vibing. About my book, which I might not read much of because it's gonna get dark very soon, I'm reading One and Only Ivan. I'm not gonna really get much reading done because I'm gonna go into the water. Not sure how long I'm gonna stay in there for, but if it's still light out or if I see light enough where I can read, then I know for sure I'm gonna be doing that. Okay. So I actually want to ski.
I'm only happy with you.
I'm only happy with you.
Don't wanna see like you do.
Don't wanna see how you do.
You really are a vibe to do than you.
The sun has gone down. There is no sun. There's no sun. What is sun? There's no sun.
So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to those sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found what wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. On my mind. On my mind. Mind. You call. I don't need to hear you crying out my name. Unlike before, when you and I left.
The place is amazing. Well worth it, honestly. Well worth it. You can come out here tomorrow and get photos. So guys, I'm finished with the sea. I'm gonna come out here early tomorrow because I don't know, it's getting late and I'm the only one in there, as you can see. So guys, I was in the sea, but as you can see, I'm alone in the sea. Come on, because if I get late, it took too long. But I'm gonna just go in the pool for now, grab my little thing, and they also have some seats here if you wanted to enjoy, like, you know, the beach. I'm not gonna lie, I love this. I like this. It's cool and unplanned, but my donut is matching the building. So cool. So cool. So now I'm gonna enjoy the pool because a lot of people are out, so I can get to enjoy it that way. We're here. So guys, it's night and I'm still at the pool. Everyone's gone now, so technically it's just me. My thing is floating into the deep part and I cannot swim. So I'm gonna have to set you up and go over there before this ship. So guys, I probably did not vlog a lot at the pool. I don't know. I think we went down there too late. The beach water was, I'm gonna say, it felt good. I wish there was a little piece of sand, but it seemed like the water is now high tide and so there is sand. So when you go into the water, the beach, and I'm talking about the beach part of the water, when you go into the beach water, it's gonna be a little bit rocky at first, but then when there's a good portion of the beach where you can just relax. It's not too deep. It's perfect if you can't swim. I mean, you just have to brave up. I know, so you have to go through a little slippery part, you know, where the rocks are, and then you just walk over in the middle and it's just pure sand. It's just nice to relax. I can't wait for tomorrow when I can actually go there in the morning. That's really how I want to experience it. But my body did just thirsty for the water and I couldn't wait until tomorrow, so I just had to go in there and feel it on my skin, and it was great. It's definitely what I wanted at this Airbnb. The beach aspect of it, although I never get to spend much time, it was fun. Right now, if I can't hear me, that's because the waves are splashing and it's making a lot of sound, and I like that. Them things they didn't want. So far I'm gonna say I'm gonna give it so far like a 7, because the trip don't end yet. I kind of want to experience the things then in a different vibrations. So we're chill right now. I'm gonna take a chill and then we're going to go to the club. Yeah, we're going to go to the club later, even though I kind of feel tired, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, hopefully we can go to the club later, get a little vibration. Loud bass have our birthday party tonight. Yeah, so alright, bye. I already talked for 3 minutes, that way too long. It's time to get on the road. I already start my makeup as I can see. I don't know. We don't have much white lights in this place, so I'm trying to make do of what I have in case I don't look so bright. So I started my makeup. It's nothing fancy, just making my makeup type, you know, simple, classic, and no filter. At this point, you know, just as some rashes. Yeah. So I'm trying to find the best lighting for me, because the lighting, it's not giving. Okay, the lighting is not giving, but we are working with what of it though. So bright, as you can see, The whole bathroom counter is on this. It has all the products I'm using, my brushes, moisturizer, whatever over this stuff. And yeah, what else I finished getting together? But technically finished. Well, technically finished because I was gonna say my not very much. I was gonna double my lashes and put like a second layer of lashes over this one because they're really small. But for the weekend, I just feel like I want something simple. I don't feel like want to wrap back lash them this week. What does I work with? I actually do have all lashes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just really cute and dainty, and that's what I want to work with. Alright. Yeah, that's it. My makeup was technically we use the MAC eyeshadow palette and this one from, I don't remember where this one from, but they're basically nude palettes and this nude blush. So it's not just a nude vibe, and my lips are basically gonna be nude too. So yeah. At this point, guys, I'm carrying off a little closer. I'm probably a little crooked and see, but yeah, I'm basically going to be doing my lip gloss right now, and we're just doing the regular. Every girl know the magic already. Grab a brown pencil, brown lip liner, whatever it is. I hate that I'm so dark. And you know, I have a light. now. The ring light thing probably in a car. I don't know what to do up here, but I have a light. When I'm gonna serious party, I'm going back and talk. But right now, I'm not doing all of that. So, may I do then get lip gloss combo nude right shoe. And naturally, I have the lips, y'all girls pay for it, you know. No shade. I'm not, you know, tooting my horn or anything, but yeah, I got natural like thick lips, so I don't really have to do lip fillers. My bottom lip is big, my top lip is big, so I just kind of overline my lips to just make it a little bit more. To make it a little bit more plump. That's how I'm gonna do. For this look, I bought my MAC. I can't really see, you know, but it's called satin. It's like a nude lip as well. And I normally, I'm showing you guys my lip combo by the way. Yes, so I normally just tap a little bit in the mirror because as you can see it's really strong. So my lip combo consists of a lot. So as you can see, I had that new lippy. I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kiss Butter Balm. It's actually gonna darken the pink a little bit, but I love that. Guys, when I can hear the waves then, oh, tell you. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Victoria's Secret. I don't remember what it's called yet. Candy Baby. I talk about this a lot. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. Not too much because afterwards I'm gonna be putting this lip gloss over it, which just really makes my lip look a little bit more. So I don't know what I'm going with it, but it's not coming out the right way. Let's try again. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's coming out the wrong way, and that naga quench, that naga hot. Still a little bit, and then my lips just look like this. Them girl lip combo. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna kind of pack up right here because I made a mess. I made a real mess. I made a real, but it's not so bad. It's just my brushes them get all over the place. My brushes them just dead all over the place. I'm embarrassed. I'm completely embarrassed, but girls wanna know the vibes. So I'm gonna pack these up and then I am going to start getting ready. Yeah, put on my dress and well, no, I'm gonna fix up my hair and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing to the club. Alright, this is my dress that I'm wearing. Sparkling materials. The bag. Got a zipper in the bag. And yeah, this is what I'm feeling. The black vibes, alright? So now we're gonna grab some shoes, alright? Some shoes. I was gonna grab some shoes, but I think my shoes are last. I'm gonna fix my hair. And my hair got wet today from being in the pool and stuff. But it's whatever. It's really whatever at this point. My hair, which was the intention for the hair to be curly. So I'm putting some curl moisture in it just to give the hair that condition look. I'm adding some Mark Anthony Strictly Curls leave-in conditioner, and I added some extra conditioner on this just so that it would, the girly vibe. The only thing I hate with this bottle, it tricks me all the time. I keep getting caught in it. So I want my hair to be really, really wet. The wetter, the better. As I said, guys, after this trip, I don't really give two rats about this wig anymore. So I'm just doing the do with it. Trying to get the best of it for the weekend because I am going to, I don't think I'm going to want it after all of the chlorine and things that are going on that weekend. I can't go after that. So, I'm going to get this side right now. How's it looking in the back, guys? I feel like that's good. I'm going to go ahead and fix up the front. Some gots to be and just set up the front. So I'm gonna go in with the gel. Just set up my nice and firm. You know what I'm looking at? Type shit. Alright? Type shit. Beer vibes that eat food, that's all the care around. That's the vibration. That's what I'm working with. I'm gonna put a little bit of shine in the middle. Y'all know what the girlies do up there. I feel like that's too dark, so I'm gonna use a foundation. I'm gonna use my Fancy Beauty, and this is what I use on my skin, so I'm gonna use that instead. Yeah. Bad up that. Feel like a bad little coolie bitch. I'm gonna go for my earring now, guys. Got this thing full of accessories. I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. I have this cute little necklace that you guys always see me wear that I wanted to wear tonight, but somehow I forgot it. Let's just say that. I got these cute little earrings from Shein, so I'm gonna wear them with my feet tonight. I love them. They're sparkly and I guess it matches this part of the dress. Guys, I can't stay up with it, so I have to go away from the camera if I can't see what the night is. A little bit hard to snap on. I don't want them drop out. But that's what it's looking like. Let me see if I can find the other one. The rest of this here. Anyways, I found the other one. If you guys like this earring, let me know so I can put the link. It was relatively cheap. When them always tell me say, don't say nothing cheap. Because it's offensive to some people. Say it's affordable. So guys, it was relatively affordable. It was relatively affordable. So this is what it's looking like now. I feel like I want to carry on this more. Guys, I think we're going to get lagging at a part today because it's raining in Ocho right now. It's raining. Anyways, still I go there to see what we can do. Alright. So that's what I got for my figure. I wanted to wear this necklace, but I just think it's too much, and so probably I'm just gonna go without a necklace. It's fine. It's fine. Not stressing it. Not stressing it at all. Got my little day to read. Fine. Could probably try this, but I don't really like wearing this. I don't know, whenever I wear this, it's too much. It's giving too much black. In terms of shoes. So guys, I'm wearing these shoes. And I'm going to show you what bag I'm wearing too. My bag. My little bag. My little bag. Okay. My little bag. 5 in. Well, I forgot to put up the bag I would see because just a little stuff my little things in there. Wash my hands. So guys, in my purse. I soon give you guys a better look. I saw my look right now. I think I take time to put them together. I'm gonna leave out because the time is going and this is Ocho. Not sure how long the clubs are open still. And I don't want to be the last one. Let's go. Down with me. Showing all my look outside. I'm gonna put my purse. Guys, my dress is from 21 Apparel. I can put the link in the bio and you can go and get some order stuff, okay? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna put up the video and I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm back and ready. Guys, I'm ready. I got my dress from 21 Apparel. My bag is from Eagle. My shoes is also from Eagle. Yes. Earrings from Shein. I don't know curly vibe because your girl is on a mini vacation. 360 for y'all. Bam. Bam. Okay, so now we're ready to go clock in. Morning, guys. I wanted to catch the sunset today, but it never works out. Morning, guys. It is a new day, and guess what? I fell asleep with my makeup on my face. So that's not good for me. That's not good for me at all. So guys, this hair was a different color hair and I dyed it in black. And I think that most of the dye is running out. And it's no longer black. Anyway, the agenda for today. I really want to get some pictures in my bikini. Let me brush my teeth. I don't want to brush my teeth on the camera. So I finished brushing my teeth. I kind of clean up the floor a little bit. Yeah, I just wanted to smell kind of this. Got on my pajamas right now. Reason why I don't wash up my face is since I'm done sleeping night already, I might as well go downstairs and picture in my bikini from yesterday. I never did any pictures in my bikini yesterday, so I'm thinking I want to go downstairs and do some pictures in my bikini and then grab some breakfast. Not sure if I'm going to get any help to take these pictures today. Let's see. It's looking bright and sunny outside. I don't know if I showed you guys a lot of the painting yesterday, but this artwork right here, oh my god, I love it. I wanted to catch a picture, but if you look closely, you see it's like little people. It's like little people. I'm always telling you guys I love art, so something like this really grabs my attention. There's a lot of art decor pieces in here that I like. These little bamboo pieces. It's something like an Indian vibe. And the owner Jad, he's Indian, so I get it. If you're into art, then you'll understand. But I love art, so this is the reason why I'm fascinated with a lot of these, artworks in the home. And he also said, like, if you're interested in something, you can purchase it. So, a bit of the artworky vibe that's going on. And then the host, they made these. He made these. So cute. So anyway, let me show you what outside look like right now. Don't mind the makeup, it's soon gonna come to the picture. Much better than yesterday. So yesterday was a little rainy. It was rainy last night too, but then again, this is Ocho Rios. It's always gonna be raining. That's as much as I'll do today for exercise. I'm not home, so I don't want to do that. I was thinking of bringing my yoga mat so that I could do some workout, but yeah, I didn't do that. So I'm not focusing on any workout today, really. Yeah, I'm just focusing on me. All right, so we're not gonna hear back from me very, very soon. Oh, I think I should tell you guys about the party last night. So I did end up going to Love Boss's party in the club. I did see a few familiar faces with people from Kingston, so yeah, that was good. Not too much, even better, you know what I mean? But yeah, as I said, guys, we were gonna go, and that was it. So right now, but just gonna try get some breakfast. So I'll talk to you guys later, alright? I'm gonna clean my face. I don't know, should I eat and then do this or should I do this? Can I change that now? So, oops. Fun fact, I made this. I did. When I was learning my sewing skills, this was one of the first thing I made. I never wear it though, so I just decided I was going to wear it now. Yeah. Kind of tight. I'm a little bit mager when we make it. But a little bit thick now, I know I'm going to porridge. Call me porridge at that. Yeah. There's the breeze when I need it. Yeah, this is the next day now. Whenever I get set up the channel, I'll come out here early to do doing this early. Because we need content for you guys. What's the purpose? So I'm gonna take a picture in this bikini with Madonna. And we're going to the shallow side because I cannot swim. You know, I know that anyway, because we could have swim, chuck off and dive off in that last time. This is very deep. Deep, deep. Anyway, when I come to stay, so I could make it quick. I hope the man behind the camera can help me to get a good photo. The water this morning is not as warm as it was yesterday. When I came down there yesterday, the water was warm. It's probably about after 7 now. The water is not as warm. It feels a little cool, not cold enough, cool. So, ready for the pictures now? We're gonna do some pictures and then we'll be back, guys. Is that better? Worse?
Yes, I'm trying.
Huh?
You're trying.
Alright guys, so I got some swimming lessons from the parents. Alright. I am at 3 8% out of 10. But give myself 3 out of 10. So there's so much to learn. But I think with swimming, it's like allowing your body to become one with the water. You have to free your mind. Um, the more tense you are, the more possibility of you drowning or sinking. That's what I learned. So swimming is really a free your mind activity or free your mind sport. If your mind is free, you're going to drown. That's what I learned. But for somebody that cannot swim, and when I say can't swim, I would never lift up my foot and my hand for the water one time. I even gave my wig to the water. I'm that determined. I'm gonna come back down here later and I'm going to try again. May I make the beer mad because I'm not a fast learner, but oh well. I'm very determined though. I'm not a fast learner, but I'm a very determined person. So right now I'm gonna eat some food. We should be going by Dungiva today. Not sure what time, maybe 12, 1 o'clock the airport. I'm going the water warm up and thing. That's the activity for the day. So you can catch me up at when we get ready for Dungiva. If you guys are liking the vlog so far, you can just leave in a comment and tell me so far want to like about the vlog. Oh yeah, last night we went to Loud Boss's birthday party, the first of the 2 nights. Last night was the club night. Today she's having the brunch, but me did telling her already from me I come say we're not gonna go to the brunch. But the party, I don't know, I'm not gonna say I enjoyed myself. Maybe I went too late. I saw a few people from Kingston, faces that I'm familiar with, the popular people of course, but I'm not sure if I enjoyed myself, so I'm not even gonna lie about that. Maybe I become go late, I don't know. But the club, if I should be honest, I'm so happy that she's venturing out into new businesses and stuff. But for the club, there was nothing spectacular about it. Just a lounge. I think I had my expectations way up there. I thought, based off what was posted, I would have walked in and be like, wow, this is different, this is unique. But I'm not like that. I'm just a regular lounge, and I guess somewhere else for the people of Ochi and tourists to hang out, drink, have a vibe. Just another club to meet and greet, listen to music and drink. So that was that. I came back and I was super tired, so I went to sleep. So I never really closed out the vlog from there. So may I close it out right now in another portion of the vlog here. Alright? So make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what now wait for. Subscribe, and for those that have been subscribed to my channel, big up on myself. Don't know Amor Nation large out there all the time. When I always wait for my people to the vlog them, when I always bad and then I say one to the vlog why you stop like you don't know life but sometimes we have to do what we have to do. Sometimes we don't know the motion, and I know me already is an activity type of person, is a happy type of person. So when the motion then not happen in life get too busy, because I'm not going to throw too much of my personal life out there. I have to take a break. But I try work my way back in it. So I'm more nation. And the day I see me still subscribe and more people keep on subscribing. So yeah, big up on yourself all the time. Alright? So I get some food to eat now.